Understanding a jury trial, a guide to the legal process in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very important concept in the legal system called a jury trial. Whether you're learning English for personal development, or you're curious about legal processes in English-speaking countries, this video is for you. So, let's delve into what a jury trial means and why it's such a crucial part of justice in many countries. A jury trial is a legal proceeding where a group of people called a jury is selected to hear the evidence and decide whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty of the crime they are charged with. The key elements in a jury trial are the jury, a group of citizens sworn to give a verdict based on the evidence presented to them in a court of law. The trial, the process where both sides of the case, the prosecution and defense, present their arguments and evidence. The verdict, the final decision made by the jury on whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty. In this section, we explore the duties of a jury in a trial. A jury is responsible for listening to the evidence, assessing the credibility of witnesses, and reaching a verdict. The decision must be based solely on the evidence and the judge's legal instructions. Juries are meant to be impartial and are often seen as a fundamental component of a fair trial. Let's break down a jury trial into its basic steps. 1. Selection of the jury. Potential jurors are questioned in a process called voir dire to ensure they can be fair and impartial. 2. Opening statements. Lawyers for both the prosecution and defense outline their cases to the jury. 3. Presentation of evidence. Both sides present their evidence through witnesses and exhibits. 4. Closing arguments. Each side summarizes their case and tries to persuade the jury towards a verdict. 5. Jury deliberation. The jury discusses the case in private to reach a unanimous decision. 6. Verdict announcement. The jury presents their decision to the court. Jury trials are a cornerstone of the legal system in democratic societies. They serve to protect individual rights by allowing peers to judge the case, rather than government officials alone. Reflect community standards. Jurors bring their views and values to the trial, representing their community's perspective. Act as a check on the law. Jury verdicts can sometimes reflect the public's attitude towards the law itself. The use of jury trials varies around the world. In some countries, they are used for criminal cases, while others use them for civil cases as well. Some legal systems do not use jury trials at all, relying instead on judges to make all legal decisions. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and importance of a jury trial. Remember, understanding legal terms like jury trial not only improves your English vocabulary but also gives you insight into the culture and workings of legal systems where English is spoken. So, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Have a great day.